I enter a lively street market in Seoul. Bright signs and colorful clothes surround me. A leather bag catches my eye. I ask the shopkeeper politely, 얼마까지 할 수 있어요? What's the best price you can do? The seller explains the price. I wonder, 할인돼요? Is it discounted? Maybe there's a seasonal promotion, so I ask, 세일 중이에요? Is it on sale now? The price feels a bit high for me. I point to another item and ask, 좀 더 저렴한 거 있어요? Do you have something cheaper? Then I check again. 가장 싼 게 뭐예요? What's the cheapest one? I'm curious if bargaining is possible. 가격이 정해져 있어요? Is the price fixed? Sometimes I need proof, so I ask, 가격표 좀 보여주세요. Please show me the price tag. I smile and try to negotiate. 조금 더 싸게 해주실 수 있어요? Can you make it a little cheaper? The shopkeeper hesitates, but I see another option and ask, 좀 더 좋은 거 있어요? Do you have something better? Finally, after looking around and comparing, I decide, 이 가격에 살게요. I will take it at this price. Walking away with my purchase, I feel proud. Using these phrases makes shopping in Korea fun, natural, and rewarding.